Do you want to stop your brand being counterfeited on Amazon? Are you worried about diverted product ending up on marketplaces like eBay, Alibaba, and other websites? Stick with me as I walk you through some strategies to help protect your brand, your marks online, in the streets, and protect your channels of trade. Hi, Tim Santoni, been a private investigator for 20 years. I work with clients in the IP space, specifically brand owners, lawyers, trademark prosecutors, and marketing professionals to help mitigate risk, eliminate counterfeits, and come up with strategies to help protect brands online. There's so much information out there about strategies, technology, AI, software, and other tools to monitor, protect, and enforce your rights online. There's so much information out there about the Facebook brand protection program, eBay's VERO program, Amazon's brand registry. There's automated tools through commercial providers that do software watch and monitoring of trademark registrations, common law use, domain name registrations, and use of your name, of your products and marks online. The bottom line is that you need to look at all these different methodologies that are available to protect your brand. The first step is getting your trademark registered on the primary register with USPTO. This allows you to record it with the CBP, the Customs and Border Protection, which is a division of ICE, to help seizures and inspections be conducted if your product is inspected at the ports. Next, you want to look at online tools like the Facebook brand protection program, VERO program with eBay, as well as Amazon's registry. You want to look at those programs where your products are being found and attack them there. The key is, no matter what technology, what software or solution you go with, you need to make sure that you have full control over the notices and the monitoring and the reporting that's coming inbound so you can analyze and make decisions about that. It's very, very important that responsive action be taken when these notices are received. As an example, if you receive a seizure notice from CBP about a product that was seized at the port in LA or New York, the information about the importer, where the product's going to be landed, and the address and details of those companies that are on there could be a very useful tool for an investigation, undercover buy, or some sort of background research to stop the infringer in the US, as an example. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can do DMCA and domain name takedowns if these websites are popping up selling your product and you don't think they pose a threat, but you want them to go away because it's diverting marketing, ad spend, and keyword type searches. Those can be done through an automated process, and those takedowns can be done at the registrar host level and get those to go away quickly. But you need someone to coordinate those efforts to be able to analyze and determine and triage what's going on so you can determine if this is working, if an evidentiary buy needs to be made, if a C&D letter needs to be sent, and then eventually civil litigation needs to be involved. There's also the ability to pursue criminal remedy in certain situations. If you have any questions about online brand protection, IP protection, any kind of intellectual property rights, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for watching and consider subscribing. Thanks.